Hi, I'm Ivy with WTI, and are you also looking for the perfect curly hair look? Then look no further because this curl cream is just for you. I absolutely love this defining curl cream because it has so many benefits for curly hair. It's got so many nutrient-rich ingredients such as argan oil, antioxidants, and fatty acids. It's also paraben and cruelty-free. All these ingredients work together to moisturize, smooth, and define your curls. This also makes them suitable for all curly hair types. Another reason why I love this curl cream is because the formula is super lightweight. It really boosts the shine in my curls, and it really controls the frizz. And you can already see this even before I've diffused my hair. I finished scrunching and I can already see the shine and the individual definition in my curls. And here you can see that right after I've diffused, there is still no frizz whatsoever thanks to this curl cream. Every curly hair girl needs this cream. My curls look so much healthier ever since I started to use it, and I feel so much more confident in my natural hair because of it. But that's just my point of view.